Next, here on click of this, we need to save the whole information on room database. So next we will ask ChatGPT for it, and this is the click listener. And when the everything is validated, we will paste our code here. Okay, so here I have asked room database that we want to save all data on room database. On click of confirm booking, now it have provided us the implementation of roomdb. Now here it have provided the entity class first. So this is the it defined the columns of table. Okay, so here we will have these columns on database table. Next we have a DAO class. So DAO class is basically an interface that contain all the methods to interact with database, like insert method, delete method, or get method. Now here next we will have a room database class. Okay, where we can register the DAO class. Okay, in basically we can instantiate the DAO class here. And next we are making an application class. So basically when the application will run for launch, it will the room database will be initialized. Okay, next it have provided us the complete implementation. Here we are getting all the data on entity class and passing the entity class on insert method of DAO class. Next, it haven't provided us the library we need to add for roomdb. So I have asked for libraries, and we can copy it. And here is module level app level. Okay, so paste it here. So the capt is showing issue, so we can ask the ChatGPT about capt plugin. So capt full form is Kotlin annotation processing tool. You can copy it and it will be added on the top here. Okay, so but we have to add it in this format. So copy it, paste it here, and sync it. So next thing is we have made a package here, database package. Okay, and we will keep all the classes here. So basically you can create package like this by clicking on package and here database. Okay, it's already exist. Now next is we will copy all the code from here. Copy. Next DAO. And application class. Okay, so in application class we are initializing the room database, but we have to initialize the application class on manifest. So it have automatically detected the application class bit because it extend the application. Okay, now next process is we have to copy the code from here. This is for launching it on background. So we are using coroutines for that. Coroutine is very important concept in Kotlin. We can copy it as well and define it here. Now run the application. So it's showing error. So let's provide a return type here because it will return it in basically it return in form of long. Okay, so running it. Let's uninstall it first. Okay, let's update it first. Here new version is available, so update it. Now it is working. So it is maximum number we can enter here is till 10. Clicking on confirm booking and let's check the database from here. So you can see the database has been created and this is the information which we just have added here. So now next thing will be we have to make it better. When we click on confirm booking, it should empty the whole information or it should launch the previous screen. Okay,